Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a picture to the plot area in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am create a chart. Click and drag on our mouse to select data. Go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Now I am select the chart, and now I am select the plot area. Click right button, go to the format plot area, then select the fill option. Now I am select the picture or texture fill. Click the insert option, then choose picture from our file. Now I am select this image, click insert, then close the window. Now we can see we add picture to chart plot area easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.